How do I enable DRM in Google Chrome? So you can do it from the settings of your Google Chrome. You need to go to three dots from the top hand side of your Google Chrome. You need to now scroll down and look for setting option. Just open the settings, and after that you need to click on privacy and security from the left hand panel. You need to scroll down and click on site settings. Now scroll down at the bottom, you need to click on additional content settings, and again scroll down and click on protected content IDs. From here you need to turn on these options: sites can play protected content, and also turn on these sites can use identifier to play protected content. Now again scroll down under customize behavior, you need to look for allow to use identify protected content. You need to add the sites which you want to add. Let me add this website. Click on add, and you can add another website as well. From here you can add any other website, and like this you can add as many websites as you want and allow them, and then you will be able to do it. And in case you face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, just turn the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.